is Gabi Zuniga. I'm Gaudi software architect. I'm visiting Vietnam for a couple of weeks, and I'm very happy to meet you. So what's your name?
My name is Tuan Anh.
And how old are you?
I am currently 13 years old.
Wow, that's very young. And you're probably our youngest intern ever. How long are you interning here?
Well, I've been doing intern here during the summer, so it's not a month and a half.
And how did you even consider interning at Gaudi?
So my mom knew that I was interested in programming, so she started searching for any things I can do online, and she come across Gaudi, and she asked her friends about how Gaudi works and is it fun, and she decided for me to have an interview here and get an internship here.
Wow! And so did you know some programming before coming to Gaudi?
Yes.
What did you know?
I know a lot about making web design such as HTML, CSS, and some of JavaScript.
And here at Gaudi, what did you learn?
I learned a lot more detail about a program language called Python, and I also learned a bit about machine learning and got to do some big projects.
I heard that you did like a college level Python course here with exercise and everything.
Yes.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. That's actually pretty cool. So let's talk about your project. So what did you do here at Gaudi? What was your main project?
So my main project is to create a car that can drive by itself on a certain path.
Okay, so that's actually the hardware that you use, right?
Yes.
Cool. And then what were the steps? What parts of the project that you can explain for someone that knows nothing about machine learning and about this kind of projects?
So first off, we have to test it, know how it works, and then we put some code or some files into the car, and then we calibrate the car so that it can move forward and backward smoothly and can turn without any problem.
So you learn how to SSH and how to log in inside the car using like Linux commands.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
And then we started to train it by using images to let it know how to drive and how to follow the path.
And so you train it. What kind of machine learning techniques do you guys use for learning?
So we use Kira
framework.
Yeah, Kira framework. That's
Cool.
all the things.
And what kind of model do you use?
Well, we use supervised learning. Yeah, that's it.
Right. And so after the car learns, is that learning inside the car, or how the learnings occur? How is that process?
So we have to dig deep and change some things about the car.
I see. And so was this process smooth, or do you have any challenge?
Yeah, we do have some challenge. So we have some problem about the camera. It doesn't have enough resolution, so we decide to change the setting of the camera, or we change the camera. And the second problem is about the calibration. Sometimes the car doesn't move smoothly, or the car can't turn, or it can't drive. So we decide to change the setting inside the car about how it moves and how it turns. And we also have a bit problem about the training because the path wasn't bright enough, or there are too much spot or places that is not very dark, so the car doesn't know where to move.
Great. And so now what are the next steps?
I didn't have any plans for it, but I think I'm going to improve the car to make it so that it can drive on any kind of different path, and it can avoid collisions and avoid cars and obstacles.
That's pretty awesome. So at Gaudi, we really care about results. So enough talk. Why don't you show me how this works?
Okay.
All right. Okay. So what you're gonna show me now?
So I'm going to show you the demo, how the car runs and how it runs on the road.
Okay, excellent. So you're gonna load all of your code in the car, and the car will drive by itself.
Yes.
Awesome. Cool.
So as you can see, we are already connected into the car, and we have already got inside the car. So we use one command to make it drive, and use the train file to run it drive, and it just let it wait.
It's loading now in the car of the model.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and it adjusts itself like so that it doesn't go out of the circuit.
Yes.
That's great. So now the car is just driving by itself.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, cool.